packing box, storage bag, multimeter, watch pen, temperature line, manual, complete accessories, battery installation display. Open the back battery compartment cover and put in 2 AAA batteries. Remove the protective cap and insert it into the corresponding port. Inductance. Adjust to the corresponding gear. The pen contacts the pin of the inductor. The value keeps beating for poor contact. The value is stable to normal. DC voltage. Adjust to the corresponding gear, and the pen can be measured corresponding to the positive and negative electrodes of the battery. AC voltage. Adjust to the corresponding gear and measure as shown in the video. There will be a slight delay in measurement. Does not affect the accuracy of the value. MVDC voltage, and the pen corresponds to the positive and negative electrodes to measure. Frequency. Adjust to the corresponding gear and measure as shown in the video. Temperature. Connect the temperature line. Adjust to the corresponding gear and contact the thermocouple with the measured object. Resistance. Adjust to the corresponding gear, and the stylus can be measured by contacting both ends of the resistance. Buzzer. Adjust to the corresponding gear, test on and off, and make a beep for normal patency. Diode. Adjust to the corresponding gear, and the stylus corresponds to the positive and negative electrodes of the diode. Capacitance. Short-circuit discharge is required before measurement. Adjust to the corresponding gear, and the stylus can contact both ends of the capacitor. Non-contact sensing. Adjusted to the corresponding gear, a beep alarm will sound when a nearby voltage is detected. MA DC current. Adjust to the corresponding gear. Just connect the line in series as shown in the video. The pen is inserted into the current port. DC current. Adjust to the corresponding gear. Just connect the line in series as shown in the video. AC current. Adjust to the corresponding gear. Just connect the line in series as shown in the video.